I'll show you how to schedule your TikTok posts easily. To get started, you'll need to either install the TikTok Studio app or visit the TikTok Studio website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, upload the video or photo you want to post, or use the built-in camera to capture new content. After uploading or recording, tap Next and use the available editing tools to make any changes you want. When you're satisfied with your content, tap Next again. On the posting screen, you'll see the Schedule Post option. Tap it, choose your desired date and time, then hit Done. Once everything is set, tap the Schedule button to confirm. And that's it. Your TikTok post is now scheduled and will go live automatically at the time you choose. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.